Pond, pond. Pond, इन्हें देखो, देखो. Oh. What is this? Fish, देखो fish. Pond fish. अले पापा fish पकड़ दे अले. Pond, अले fish. Fish. देखो fish. आ गया. आंधी देख दी. These are puffer fish. Okay. Now I'm transferring one of them. एक वो लाना जरा. कौन move?
क्या लाना?
कच्ची है कुछ निकालने के लिए.
जम पकड़े नहीं है मैंने उसको मोड़ दिया.
Pond come down please. Okay, yes, good girl. Pond see, pond wait. अरे पापा दिखा दे देनो. इथे देख. अरे fish. Pond say fish. Pond. Lola come here.
Pounding the cats.
They are not able to swim well. Here I am putting the fish into the water. Water is not too deep. Pound, see this? Pound. Okay, look at this fish. See this fish. Now what I am going to do is I am going to press its tail. Pound, see this? मेरा है तो. और ऐसा टर्न करे तो इमेज टर्न होगी है ना. Now I am showing this fish to Pound. Pound, see. What I am going to do is I am going to press the tail of this fish, and you will see that what happens. Normally when we press the tail of this fish, this is a which edit कर सकते हैं ना. तो खाली पॉप क्यों नहीं हो रही.
Pues le poco de You see how it has puffed its body moment I had tried to, and it looks like as if it is dead and it is floating, but actually it is not dead. There's a lot of air ingested inside. I'm going to remove this air out, and you can see the spine. See how big it has become now. Now this is a highly venomous puffer fish. Is now releasing the air. Slowly it will release the air. Yes, you can see this now. And pound fish, baby. I'm trying it, make it release its air, but it normally ingests water. It's dangerous for it to ingest air. But this is one of the most venomous fishes in the sea. It's called a puffer fish. It has puffed itself. There are spines on this, but this one doesn't have too many spines. Its gallbladder has a venom called tetrodotoxin. It is 1200 times more poisonous than cyanide. 1200 times more poisonous than cyanide. That means it can kill so many people. So if you see this on the beach, it is commonly found on the beach.
Don't try to give it to your pet animal to eat. And don't try to cook it or something by mistake. Normally nobody would eat such fishes, but if you see such fishes which puff up, immediately throw it away because they are very, very venomous. Now you see here it is sensing no danger, it is releasing all the air. Its gallbladder has all the poison. The poison is in the gallbladder. Where is the poison, Pound? Where is the poison? Where is it? It's in the gallbladder. See? Can you see this fish? Can you see? No, no eating fishes. No eating fishes. Just see it. That's all. Okay? Now I'll put it back in water. Once again we'll see how it senses danger. I put it back. Now so quickly it has swum away. Did you see that? Moment it knew that there is no danger, it just swam away. Now what I'm trying to tell you is, why does it puff up? Normally the fish will puff up because it is a poor swimmer, so it tries to swim away from danger, and that it does by puffing. But when it puffs up, no other fish can eat it because it becomes so big and broad, and it just becomes like a inedible ball of water. So that the other fishes don't eat it, and if the fish eats it, then this gallbladder is so poisonous that it will definitely kill that person or that animal, whoever eats it. In Japan they eat that fish. In Japan they eat it as a special delicacy, and there are special chefs for it. But if by mistake the gallbladder splits open, the poison will spread throughout the flesh, and it is the most venomous fish. Once again we'll see what happens exactly, what it does. I will try to show it to you. Remember, there is no venom on its body, it's only in the body. It can be on the skin. Normally these fishes don't have it on the skin. So if you see these fishes on the coast and all, don't try to catch it, and don't try to eat it. Here you see it's struggling, and especially small children should not play around with these fishes. Normally fishermen catch this and throw it away because they know it's not edible. Once again I will show it to you how it has got a defense mechanism. Normally when I turn it the other way around, upside down, then it bloats itself. As you can see here, it's puffing itself up. As you can see this, it puffs itself up. Get a close up. Okay, you can hear the sound as it is ingesting air. Normally it ingests water and then it floats on water. It looks like as if it is like a balloon, and then it releases this air out, and then it's ready to swim again so quickly. Now it's all perfectly normal. So as you can see, once again it has turned into a ball. You can hear the sound. I release it in water, and moment it feels it's safe, now I'll take it and put it in water. Moment it knows it's safe, it will just go in the water again and become normal. See that? It is absolutely normal now, and it has released all the air and it is swimming now quite nicely. So please don't try to fool around with such fishes. Don't try to give it to your pet, as it is extremely toxic. And there are 150 species of pufferfish. How many species? 150 species. And Pound likes fishes a lot, but I tell her not to eat, but still she tries. and I told you that it has got a toxin called tetrodotoxin, which is more 1200 times more toxic than cyanide. So you can imagine how dangerous it is. And most of this poison is in the gallbladder, where it stores it for use, and normally it puffs up because it's a poor swimmer, and then it just tries to avoid danger in that way. And it is a very successful predator also itself. So this is one of the fishes I showed you, commonly found, called the puffer fish.